Testimonial for Will Brown's mechanical trading strategies. My name is Matthew McDonnell. I live just outside London, and I came across Will's strategies about a year ago now. At the time, I was sort of trading sort of discretionary and price action kind of based. It wasn't really going too well or too bad. I was just sort of plodding along. My account wasn't really going anywhere. But what for me was quite difficult was the fact that it was really hard to sort of convert the time I was putting in to do my analysis into getting a return out the markets, because the market could sometimes do like a 180 on you, and it could just completely ruin whatever you sort of analysis you've made, to be fair. So yeah, in terms of like emotions, it was quite difficult to handle. So yeah, I quickly made the sort of choice that it was probably worth me switching to a way of trading that was less emotional, that could allow me to focus more on the actual on the trading itself, as opposed to sort of worrying about what the market will do and stuff. So yeah, I got in touch with Will sort of last May, and he was super helpful. His responses were top notch, replying on the same day, all the time, and super helpful. Yes, I bought the strategies myself, and even once I bought the strategies, his emails, and same goes to his assistant Paul. Their email responses were super timely, super quick, really helpful. And yes, I've sort of taken the rules that I bought and applied it to my own trading, and been able to grow my accounts since over the sort of last 8 months now, which has obviously been quite good. And yeah, for me, it's sort of much more, I wouldn't say fun, because in a way trading's kind of gotten boring now, because like I say, I know what I've got to do. It's black and white, it's concrete. There's no sort of like difficult decisions to make for me. It's all sort of laid in front of me now. But like I say, because I'm doing that day in, day out, it's just repetitive. But I guess, like I said, that's got to be a good thing, right? And yeah, so for me, what's really sort of working is that I think it's so much better to sort of follow a strategy where at least you've got some sort of historical data to go off, whereas compared to sort of discretionary trading, where it's just sort of in the present. There's not really, you can't really back it off trades in the past. It's quite difficult. But whereas this, at least you've got something sort of behind it that says, right, if you do it to XYZ markets, it gives you a positive return. So therefore, can keep doing that, basically, sort of catch that return. So yeah, it's really worked superbly for me. Being able to get a nice profit, grow my accounts considerably. And one extra thing as well, I'd just say, is that not only do Will and Paul sort of provide these strategies for you, but also they will sort of help sort of support you in sort of trying to develop your own strategies as well, or perhaps make tweaks to the strategies that you bought to maybe make it suit your lifestyle a little bit more, or suit your sort of maybe your risk, or sort of whatever your risk tolerance may be, for example. So in case you want to buy the strategies and sort of maybe upgrade them a little bit to sort of make it perhaps more profitable if you want, or make your own strategies, sort of add more sort of diversification to sort of the trading that you're doing. Again, Will and Paul, will help you in that as well. Super supportive. So yeah, I'd say if you're maybe thinking of switching to this kind of mechanical sort of rule-based strategies, you definitely got nothing to lose. I mean, you may as well give it a go. There's absolutely nothing to lose. So yeah, I hope you're sort of make the right choice. Thank you very much.